All right, I will show you how to make a flower. So I started off with a bunch of petals and I took all of them, there's 2 pieces, and we left the bottom open and then we sewed around the top. And now I have some that are round and I have some that are more pointed. This one I already turned inside out. All the rest I actually did. But anyway, we just leave the bottom part open and sew from around that side. So this was the only one left to turn inside out, so I'll go ahead and turn this one. And press it. Okay, so I've got 3 sets of petals. I've got the biggest ones, and then I've got some for the center, and then I've got the ones for the top. So there's 6 of each one, I think, except for the ones on top, there's just 4. But anyway, this is how you connect the petals together. You take 2 petals and place them over each other like this. And then we're gonna do I'm gonna make a little mark real quick. That'll show you just exactly where you wanna sew these together. It's just from the center over to the corner at an angle like that. So just whoop. So I'm gonna sew that real quick. And then, so it's connected like this. And then we're gonna get the next petal and put it over top one of the others. And now this one, we're gonna connect from here to here. And let me show you again how it's gonna look. So if you can see the line, it'll go down like that. We just get the next petal and put it over one of the ones on the end. It could be either one. I'm going to choose this one. And then it's going to connect the same way right here. It's just the same all the way around. And then when you have them all together, you just have to connect the last one. You just line these up together. Everything else is all connected together on this one. If you see the back. And these 2 are the last ones, so I'm gonna line them up. And then I'll sew the corner. Okay, so now we have this flower, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other petals. Okay, once you finish all the flowers, you're gonna have 3. Then you'll have the biggest one on the bottom, and then we're gonna place the middle-sized one in the middle. And then we'll get the smallest one and place that one on top. And then we're just gonna hand stitch all 3 of these together through the middle. Just go, I like to go, a little bit to the sides and just kind of go around in a circle just to hold them all together really well. So I'll go ahead and do that. we've got a nice fluffy flower. And the only thing left to do is, before we attach it to a mask, I put 3 snaps on 3 of the bottom petals. So I would probably pick this one, and this one. And just skip a petal in between. And we'll have them facing down so that you can snap them onto the mask. And I like to put the snaps on here first, and then I just use that to line it up when I put it on the mask. That's it.